Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and here you have a battery saver, so you can switch it like this, and you can also change some of its settings here, so you can set it to turn on automatically when your battery is at 5% battery or at 15% battery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.